All that you need to create programs with Java, be it desktop GUIs, websites, backends, anything really, is the Java Development Kit, more commonly known as the JDK. And we're going to download and install the JDK in a couple of seconds. And what you need to know is 3 things. First, the 2 main JDKs being used are the Oracle JDK and the Open JDK. And in fact, Oracle JDK and Open JDK are built mostly from the same source. That means they're pretty much the same. But the Oracle JDK has a few components on top of the Open JDK that have special licensing, whereas the Open JDK is completely free and open source. And apart from that, in previous versions, there was sometimes a stark technical difference between the two, but nowadays with the new versions, that's pretty much gone. In any case, I almost always download the Oracle JDK version for my development machine, and then depending on a customer, we either run OpenJDK or Oracle JDK on the production machines. So let's open up a bash prompt, and I'm on Ubuntu 16.04 here. And then we need to add the Oracle repository to our system and refresh the package list. And I'll just copy and paste the command from the clipboard, but you'll also find it in download sources for this episode or online. And then enter and execute the following command: sudo apt-get install, and then the package is called Oracle Java 8 installer. And it's a nice little package which will download the JDK version 8 from the Oracle website and install it. Which also actually brings us to the point number 2, the version numbers. And the good thing about JDKs is that they're completely backwards compatible. That means you can download version 8 and run any program that was compiled under Java version 7 or 6, etc. And you never have to worry about version incompatibilities, which is a main difference to, let's say, languages like Python, where there are breaking changes between major language versions. And at the time being, Java version 9 is still under development, so we will simply install version 8. And the last point is, you need to download the right JDK for your operating system, be it a 32-bit system or a 64-bit system. But the Ubuntu package actually already does that for you, as compared to, say, the Windows package. So while our installer runs, we have to wait a bit, and after a while, everything should be installed. And now we need to double check that it actually worked. So on the same bash prompt, enter and execute java-version, and note there's no space between the dash and the version. And if everything went okay, you'll see an output something like this: 1.8, which tells us Java version 8, with a minor version of 131, and it's the 64-bit version. Great. You now know how to install the latest JDK for Ubuntu, and you can now go crazy developing your Java programs. On to configuring version control software and the Java build systems in the next episodes.